Okay, so now we're going to look at linear equations in slope-intercept form. And so when we're looking at those, we're going to look at that y equals mx plus b form. So of course, if we go over to, we're looking here, so slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the y-intercept, and of course this is how we write the y-intercept out, which is 0 comma b, x is always 0 at the y-intercept. So we're going to take a look at an equation here, and notice here we have y equals mx plus b. So it says tap on each button to learn more about how to write these linear equations. So m, so the slope in this case is rise over run. So if we start here, we go up 2 over 3 to the next point that we can see where it crosses nicely. Now notice here, we can make a guess here as to what this is, or here, but this we can see right away that this is 3, 3. Okay, and then of course this point is 0, 1. Okay, x is first, which is 0, y is 1, x is 3, y is 3. Okay, so we can kind of see where those points are. So to get there, we go from here to here. To get to these 2 points, we go up 2 and to the right 3. Okay, so that's how we determine our slope. And then if we want to look at our b value, so where it intersects at the y-axis, that would be 0, 1. So this would be our b value, which would be 1. And that's what we're looking at for this particular equation. So that's how we would write the equation. So that's the first part. Now let's take a look at an actual equation. So we have 6x equals 3y minus 18. We want to put it in slope-intercept form, so we want to solve for y. And so when we solve for y, we'll figure out what that form is. Of course, we have this equation right here. And so if I want to solve for that one, what I'm going to do first is notice that the y is on the right side, so I'm going to get rid of the 18 to get that y all by itself. So I then have 6x plus 18 equals 3y. I need to get rid of the 3, so I divide everything by 3 because it's multiplying the y. So I get 2x plus 6 equals y, and then there is my slope. And here is my y-intercept, which is located at 0, 6. So we know that it's 2 plus 6, so it's 2x plus 6. We'll check our answer. We got those right. And that would be the answer that we are looking for, so on those particular ones. Okay, so you got to check for the slope-intercept form. Okay, we're not doing any graphing yet. All we're doing is just solving for it to see what those particular values are. So we will go to the next video to do the last part, which is the point slope form.